What do we got?
We got something. We got something, Jimmy.
Ooh, look at the SHART card.
Now we've got, in addition to Scumbug, we have SHART card. So
this is a big day.
We're making a move. We're making moves.
Day 3 of the show.
Day 3 of the show, and we got 2 out of 3. We're 66% Hoonigan.
Not bad.
So, Jimmy Oak's gonna be driving.
Oh, that's gonna happen today. So, what's up, guys? How are you? This is day 5 in Saudi, I think.
Day 2 for us.
Day 2 at the show.
Yes.
Last night we still didn't have the cars, but luckily there was a drift event, and the participants came over and had a blast with us. So they saved it, and it was fun.
Jimmy's gonna save our bacon today. Should I say
So
bacon
cool.
in this country? I'm not.
We're good. We're
by driving SHART cart, and Micah Diaz is gonna drive
the G, if it shows up.
If it shows up.
It's supposed to be.
And we're gonna see some Micah Jimmy tandem action.
That's, I'm hoping for. So I finally get the tandem with Mike Diaz, so I can say I'm a cool guy, right? So I'm excited. So today we're gonna be doing 2 shows since we have the Scumbug and we have the SHART car, and of course more drifters stayed from yesterday, which is cool. So it's gonna be a good time. So I'm hoping today we can have some fun content and at least get some SHART cart driving and have fun with that, because you guys all know this car and I've been dying to drive it. If you don't know this car, it's a 300 horsepower supercharged Miata exoskeleton car. Look at this thing. This has definitely been a crowd favorite on Hoonigan, and why not try it for the first time across the ocean? So.
Oh, nice.
Bro, this is a really solid setup.
Alright, so all the cars came with dead batteries, so gotta pop start it. Hopefully it runs, because this has been in a container for 3 months. So we'll find out.
Yes, they fit.
I don't know about your head though.
Oh wow, this feels amazing. Okay, now I'm way too excited.
Alright, battery's dead, so we have to pop start it. Unfortunately,
It's on ethanol, which means it's gonna be a bitch. Comes my jump pack.
I don't know if that's gonna do it.
no, that'll be
Yeah,
fine.
we're gonna f up. Oh, dude.
No,
Okay.
we're good now.
Go. So apparently we suck at jump starting. This thing must be, oh, and now we lost our tire. This one must be more dead than we thought it is.
It might just be out of gas.
That was absolutely comical.
It was working well. Like, if this thing, I think there's just something not hooked up, because like, it's going.
That was a good one. That was the fastest speed. I'm like, Tony, how fast are you gonna go, man?
Oh, great. Well, hey, first drive in the SHART car. It was a success,
There it is. So, but Nick with the trophy truck has got a jumper box.
Oh,
so
well,
let's
that's
look
no
for that.
fun.
I know.
It's so dead that we can't even like jump it, which is crazy. What do you think, Hurt?
SHART card. It's all in the name.
It's all in the name.
It's all in the name.
Oh, we got double jump packs.
So, there you go. There we go. There you go. Hit it. Come on. It sounded like it. This got a hair trigger on it. This is gonna get real sketcy in the burn yard. Oh! Already hit the wall. We're good, baby, we're good.
It's a big no-no in Jimmy's book.
Oh, hit the wheel pretty good. We're good. We're good. All right. It's not as short as I thought it was. All right.
First run out?
I got excited. It's been a long week, okay?
How are you?
they were trying to be secretive about it too. They took the car in there, heard a little scoot, and then they stopped pretty early. And then they came back and they were low key, you know, kicking the tire, just like, is it okay? Is it okay?
So the dangerous part about this car is there's no scrub right here. You're scrubbing tire, not rear end. So we learned that pretty quickly, as you guys saw. So. Well, clearly Hurt felt the need to show me how proximity works on the SHART cart. That was pretty fire. Yo, I saw you gave me a quick lesson on proximity with this.
Yeah,
thing.
you got to do it clean. Stay in it.
Yeah,
stay in it.
That's the key right there.
Stay in it.
You were scrubbing, baby. Nice work.
You'll find it. That was your first time. It's easy. You got this.
So show number 2. It's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna start off in the SHART car. I'm a little nervous. My confidence a little fucked. Fuck it up.
Don't fuck up, Jimmy.
Hey, you tickled the wall too, baby.
Yeah, but it looked cooler than yours.
What are we doing, Jimmy? What are we doing?
I hope my battery doesn't die, but hopefully I don't hit our heads.
Ah, now you got me all worried.
Hurt said first gear, so we're just gonna let her get first gear.
Ah, do it. Josh Robinson!
We got the bed. You got the bed, so I shot.
Angle. Love it.
Screenshot. Thumbnail.
Thumbnail right there.
It's probably not a good thumbnail.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Hey, don't mess this up.
I'm gonna play the conservative card.
No. All right, whatever. Do whatever you want. Get it up there. Get it up there.
Boys.
We got the boys Jimmy Oaks and Micah Diaz in the house.
How we doing?
The big crowd here.
Yep, Brett. Yeah.
You guys are hyped. I like this crowd.
Yeah, it's good.
Should I tell them to do?
I think you should. Tell them to do.
You want me to start with the Bernie? That was too much fun.
That was
too much fun.
You did great, dude. You did great. I don't want to ride in this anymore. I got crap all over my face.
I felt the water in my face. I was like, okay, it's time to pull off. Yeah.
It's a good gauge, temperature gauge.
There we go. SHART car Savats today. Drove it for the first time. Very excited. Hit the wall. Not too hard. We're good. Everyone's done it. So went out there, redeemed myself a little bit. It's definitely a weird car to drive, but it was such a blast. I'd love to drive that on an actual track. But tomorrow, we're gonna actually do some cool stuff with it. We're gonna do some cool, me and Mike are gonna do some tandems, have some fun. Today was just a feeler and not really anything impressive, but still a blast. So for now, day 5 in Saudi or whatever, we're having a good time. The cars are finally here, and I promise we'll produce even more awesome content. We're excited. So you guys
Make sure you like and subscribe to
comment,
this channel
subscribe,
because
stay
it's
tuned for
super
more
dope.
content.